It's Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel, and I'm here at the Kalahari Resort in Poconos, Pennsylvania. And this here on my wrist is your water park pass and your key to your room. We're staying here one night in just a regular room. So I'm gonna give you a little room tour. I just still have my bathing suit on. I was just in the water park all day. I'll put some video footage of the water park. And I just got here. I just went over to the car to get all our stuff. I've got a bag of food, some snacks and breakfast items, a cooler of water and seltzers. I got my purse, my husband's backpack, and it looks like you walk in here to a little sink area and a fridge. So, oop, I got it cut off, so I'm gonna keep going. A little fridge. Oh, and there's a microwave over here. Wonderful. Looks like lots of drawers and a good amount of closet space, which is kind of funny because, oh, there's my finger. Usually you're just here on a short trip. And this looks like a pretty standard room. Got a TV, teeny tiny little desk. It's weird there's no dresser here, but okay. Parking lot view, couch. Not sure if that pulls out, but because there was a bunch of extra pillows, I'm thinking maybe it does. These look like double beds. A lot of safari theming because this is the Kalahari water park, and a nice big tub, shower, and of course your toilet. So pretty much everything you need for a day at the water park. I will add to this video some water park footage, and as always I'll link my post about tips for visiting an indoor water park, an outdoor water park, and packing lists. And then here's the parking lot view. So there's the lobby, there's another tower. This place is pretty huge. There's a huge convention center and a giant parking lot, and that's it. So I'm Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel, harmony@yourparadisevacation.com, and you can follow me on socials, Mama to Go, and I am getting ready for dinner. See you later, friends.